Yo, what's up guys? Today I wrote a new fruit in lobsters. It's ice. My friends told me, someone told me to eat it. So I'll eat the fruit. Yeah. So now that I have ice fruit, I'll eat it in 3, 2, 1. I have ice now, as you can see. Oh, test. Okay, here I am. Let's see what I can do. Oh, that's so good, that's good. I hope this is elemental, because I can be AFK then. Hopefully. Yes, elemental. That means I can't get attacked. I can be AFK. This isn't a bad fruit. Anyways, bye guys.